Oh, look at that. Super high security RFID reader. Cool. Piece of paper. Brilliant.
What is tactical lockpicking? It's a curriculum specifically designed from Uncensored Tactical to give you a wide base of operations for non-destructive entry for emergencies. And it's not just what tool and what technique will open what lock. Sure, we'll teach you that, we'll give you a good foundation, but most importantly, it's how to find the most effective and efficient entry or escape in the field during emergencies. It's padlocks, it's combination locks, it's restraints, it's entering vehicles, it is combination locks and codes, it is a little bit of social engineering and deconstructing the way people interact with their own locks. It is bypasses so that you don't have to deal with the keyway, you don't get sucked in. This is what we do. We provide you with a way to think differently about how you move freely through a locked environment. And we would love to have you in one of our courses. Check out uncensoredtactical.com/courses for our offerings.